Do you ever find yourself wondering where your money goes every month? Sometimes, despite budgeting and keeping track of expenses, it feels like the numbers just don't add up. What if you could easily track every penny you spend, gain insight into your habits, and stay on top of your finances? In today's video, we'll be exploring 8 fantastic apps that can help you track your spending, giving you the power to take control of your budget and make smarter financial decisions. Stick with us to find out which app could be your financial game changer. 1. Empower, your financial snapshot. Empower is a highly recommended app for people who want to gain a comprehensive view of their financial health. It links to all of your accounts, bank accounts, investment accounts, and even real estate platforms like Zillow to track your financial progress. One of the key features of Empower is its easy-to-read visual charts that show where your money is going and help compare your spending from month to month or even year to year. It automatically categorizes all your transactions, making it simple to see how much you're spending in different areas. However, while Empower is great for tracking your financial health, it's not the best when it comes to proactive budgeting. The app helps you monitor your spending and wealth, but doesn't provide tools to help you plan a budget for future expenses. If you're looking for a way to track your wealth and get a snapshot of your overall financial picture, Empower does a great job of that. But if you're more focused on managing day-to-day spending and planning for future purchases, you may need a more hands-on approach. 2. Every Dollar, simple zero-based budgeting. Every Dollar is the ideal app for anyone who prefers simple, zero-based budgeting. It helps you allocate every dollar you earn to specific categories, giving you a clear understanding of how much money is left to spend. The app is fully customizable, so you can adjust it to fit your specific needs and create categories that make sense for your spending habits. One thing to keep in mind is that the free version of Every Dollar doesn't link to your bank accounts. This means you will need to manually input your transactions every time you make a purchase or receive income. While this can be a bit time-consuming, it forces you to stay mindful of your spending. The app does a great job of keeping things simple, and it gives you a good overview of your finances by showing how much money you have left after each expense category. It's especially helpful for those who are new to budgeting and want an easy-to-understand app to guide them in the right direction. 3. Honeydew, perfect for couples. Honeydew is an app designed with couples in mind. If you're sharing financial responsibilities with someone, this app makes it easy to split bills, track shared expenses, and stay on top of your finances together. It automatically imports your bank transactions and categorizes them, helping you see who is spending what and where. It's a great tool for couples who want to make sure they're on the same page when it comes to finances. While Honeydew is excellent for tracking shared expenses, it does have a few limitations. It doesn't offer goal-setting features or advanced savings plans, and its visualization tools are minimal. If you're looking for an app that helps you plan for the future or track long-term financial goals, Honeydew may not be the best fit. However, for couples who need a simple and effective way to split costs and monitor shared spending, Honeydew is a great choice. 4. Pocket Guard, know how much you can spend. Pocket Guard is all about giving you a clear idea of how much money you have left to spend after covering your bills, goals, and savings. The app links to your bank accounts, imports your transactions, and then shows you how much of your income is safe to spend. It subtracts your bills and any financial goals you've set, leaving you with a figure that represents how much money you have left for discretionary spending. The downside of Pocket Guard is that the free version is quite limited. You will be restricted in terms of how many accounts you can link and how many budget categories you can create. This can make it difficult to fully track all your expenses if you need more flexibility. However, the app does a solid job of helping you stay aware of how much money you have left to spend, and it's especially useful for people who struggle with overspending or keeping track of their discretionary income. 5. Spending Tracker, simple and straightforward. Spending Tracker is one of the easiest to use apps out there for tracking your expenses. It's a very basic tool. Simply input your income and log every transaction you make. It's entirely customizable, allowing you to set up categories that fit your spending habits. While the simplicity of Spending Tracker is a plus, it does come with some drawbacks. One of the main limitations is that the app doesn't sync with your bank accounts, so you'll need to manually enter every transaction. This might feel tedious for some people, especially when most other apps offer automatic syncing. Additionally, the app doesn't offer any automatic rollover from one month to the next, which means you'll have to enter everything from scratch each time you start a new month. Despite these limitations, if you're looking for something straightforward and uncomplicated, Spending Tracker is a great choice. 6. Personal banking apps, your built-in tracker. Many people overlook the app that's already available to them, the app provided by their personal bank. If you're already banking with a major institution, chances are they offer an app that helps you track your spending, manage your accounts, and even create basic budgets. This is a great option if you want to keep everything in one place without downloading extra apps. The biggest advantage of using your bank's app is that it's already connected to your accounts. This means you don't have to manually enter any transactions. However, these apps are often quite basic and don't offer the same level of customization or budgeting features as other specialized apps. If you're looking for a simple tool to track spending without any frills, using your bank's app could be all you need. But if you're after more advanced budgeting features or detailed financial insights, you may want to look for a dedicated budgeting app. 7. NerdWallet, a financial hub. NerdWallet is an excellent app for people who want a comprehensive view of their financial health. It links to your bank accounts, imports your transactions, and provides a snapshot of your net worth, cash flow, and credit score. NerdWallet automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear understanding of where your money is going each month. However, one downside to NerdWallet is that it doesn't allow you to customize your categories. This can be a deal breaker for people who prefer a more personalized approach to budgeting. Additionally, NerdWallet is better for tracking past spending rather than proactively setting budgets for the future. While it's a great tool for monitoring your spending and staying on top of your finances, it's not as effective for forward planning as some of the other apps on this list. 8. Good Budget, digital envelope system. Good Budget offers a digital take on the traditional envelope system of budgeting. With this app, you set up envelopes for different spending categories and then allocate money to each envelope as you receive income. Whenever you make a purchase, you subtract the cost from the appropriate envelope, helping you stay within budget. One of the standout features of Good Budget is that it allows you to choose your own budget period. Whether you want a monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly budget, Good Budget lets you decide what works best for your financial situation. However, the app's free version is somewhat limited, as it only allows you to create a set number of envelopes. If you need more flexibility or more envelopes, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. Despite this, Good Budget is a great option for people who prefer the envelope budgeting method, but want a digital tool to make the process easier. There are plenty of apps out there that can help you track your spending and manage your budget more effectively. Whether you prefer a simple tool like Spending Tracker or a more comprehensive option like Empower, the key is finding an app that suits your needs and financial goals. Tracking your spending is the first step toward taking control of your money and making smarter financial decisions. So, pick the app that fits your style, start tracking your expenses, and take the first step toward a healthier financial future. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.